Right now, a system in the Gulf bringing a lot of rain to South Florida. Our team of First Alert meteorologists timing out the worst of the weather.
Rain steady all day, sometimes heavy, leading to minor flooding thus far. You're looking live at Key West. You see people are still braving the weather there to check out the southernmost Point Buoy.
But our area right now is under a tropical storm warning as the system moves closer to Florida.
We have live team coverage tonight covering all parts of our viewing area. We'll begin with WPTV First Alert Chief Meteorologist Steve Weigel in our Weather Center. Steve?
Yes, tracking some heavy rainfall coming in across the Keys and off the coast of Cuba. The center is still around the northwestern tip of Cuba and will work in through southwest Florida on Saturday afternoon. Here's the latest track. This came out at 5 o'clock. And don't concentrate too much on the center because all of the weather is displaced to the east of that and will work through overnight and early Saturday. But that track takes it across Florida, then off the east coast after that. Winds at 40 miles an hour. Hurricane hunters flew through it earlier and could not find enough structure to this to upgrade it to a depression or a storm. It may still happen with another flight on the way tomorrow, but we still have the chance that this will just come in as a big rainmaker, but with a tropical storm warning and a flood watch in place. Heavy rainfall so far. We've seen a couple inches down around Boca. We're adding to those totals right now, but heavier rains to the south, tapping into a lot of Florida Strait, very warm water and bringing that across the Keys now. Eventually, in the next few hours, that'll start to arrive in our area through Palm Beach County first and then into the Treasure Coast. A tropical storm warning for all areas of blue that extends all the way down through the Keys and includes the Bahamas, and a flood watch is in effect for the entire viewing area into Sunday morning with 4 to 8 inches of rain possible. Some of the latest computer models coming in actually have a little bit more than that in spots, but on average, we're looking at about 4 to 8 inches of rain. That would be through Saturday and into early Sunday. And we've already added to some of those totals with a couple inches of rainfall down around Boca already. Now this time tomorrow night, we should start to see a dramatic change with clearing and a little bit cooler breeze coming in from the north, and sunny, bright weather returns for Sunday. It'll be a chance to dry out, and it sticks around for Monday too. So that is a big change for us. All right, as far as the rains and the winds, we're going to look at Palm Beach County. We're looking at about 4 to 8 inches of rain. Wind gusts could approach 40 miles an hour, perhaps a little bit more at times, heading into tomorrow morning, late overnight and tomorrow morning. We're looking at similar rain totals for Martin County. Again, the winds and the peak weather times will be overnight and into tomorrow morning. A little bit delayed for St. Lucie and Indian River and Okeechobee counties, where along the coastline we could see upwards of 6 to 8 inches of rain, but just back west of 95 a little bit less. And again, Okeechobee County looking at gusty winds. Peak weather will be Saturday morning as the system slides away after that. So rain now, rain on our doorstep, and more coming in. Tropical storm warning, flood watch into Sunday morning. Worst weather overnight and into Saturday morning between about 8 and 10 in the morning. And there is an isolated tornado threat too, mainly overnight, as we get kind of the key ingredients for tornadoes to form. Got wind shear in the atmosphere and lots of upward motion with these storms that have been developing.